Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Newspapers and magazines. The American humorist, Will Rogers, used to say, "All I know is what I read in the newspapers." This was an exaggeration for humorous purposes, but it is true that newspapers are an important source of information. Many people begin their day by reading the paper. In this way they learn what is going on in the world. Sometimes, however, they don't have time to read the news carefully and must be satisfied with a quick look at the front page. At other times they may be in such a hurry that they have time only to glance at the headlines. There are newspapers to satisfy every reader. In the big cities there are many types of papers, with several different editions every day. In small towns there are fewer newspapers and perhaps only one edition each day. In some areas the paper is printed weekly. Most newspapers have several sections, especially on Sundays when the edition is larger than usual. There are, in addition to the front page with the most important news, the sports section, the society page, the comics, the amusement section, a business page, and the editorials. Another type of publication which helps keep the population informed is the magazine. Some magazines are published weekly, others are put out monthly. There are news magazines, literary magazines, and magazines for such special interests as photography, sports, art, and music. Some are primarily for men, others for women, and there is a selection of children's magazines, too. In the United States, there are publications for every taste and interest. Questions. 1. What is the function of a newspaper? 2. Why is a newspaper important? 3. Name 3 sections of a newspaper. 4. What is the purpose of headlines? 5. Name 3 types of magazines. 6. What magazines do you read? What newspapers do you read?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.